Hi, welcome to another EcoTips edition of ecopenny. If you've got some scrap wool floating around, it's useful to use that to make things out of instead of going out and buying more wool. Let's have a look what I'm going to make. So I've got my bag of spare wool here, so I'm going to use this bit of yellow for the body of the duck, the beak with the orange. I'm going to make the rabbit body out of that multicoloured one, and I've got a bit of black for eyes and trim, so it just makes it more worthwhile to use up your scraps that you already have instead of buying new balls, so you're sort of reusing what you've got already. So I've got my patterns here. That's the little rabbit, little duck, and the needles I require, row counter, and that just holds the two needles together. So I've got the first 2 rows of the rabbit leg done. So I'm getting there with the bunny. So this is the body and the legs. So basically fold these in half like that and sew them together. So there you have it. Got all the pieces of the rabbit, body and legs, arms, head, ears and tail. So I've just got to sew all this together and stuff it. So the wonders of editing. Wow, look at that assembled rabbit. Looks quite cute. I'll put a little bell in it. It's got a bit of a rattle. So that's the first little baby toy made. Got to get on to the duck now. So you've got the second one started now. This is going to be a duck, so you can see there's the tail, there's the head. Got half a duck done. And I've got to continue and do the rest of it. So I've got all our pieces here. I've got the duck body and the head, the beak, 2 wings. So just going to sew all this together and stuff it to make the duck. There you have it, the completed duck. So there's the result. Cute little bunny and a duck. So I've used scrap wool, so it's using up resources I've already got. 2 little cute things for my future niece or nephew. So can't wait for the baby to be born. Be another 2 months since this video is shot when the due date is. You can see from the ultrasound pictures, it's pretty amazing these days. You can actually have a look at the baby before it's born. So I hope this inspires you to make some knitted stuff out of scrap wool. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Yep, we're rolling. Action. Take 2. Action.